Hi everyone, today I'm going to be going over how to do a front post double crochet and a back post double crochet. So if you look at both of them, I did already start a swatch for each one. So basically I did a chain of 11 and a row of double crochets and then just a few post stitches on the top there. So just to show you how I did these post stitches, now if you can see, they look like ridges coming up from the top here. So go ahead and yarn over, and now there's going to be your post right here. So go ahead and put your needle under your post, kind of like a tunnel. Yarn it over, pull it through, and then just like a double crochet, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, and pull through two. And go ahead and do that again. So yarn it over, go under your post just like a tunnel, yarn it over, pull up a loop, yarn it over, pull through two, yarn it over, and pull through two. And as you can see here, you have your post stitch. So if you want to go ahead and do that one more time, just to get a bit of extra practice in, yarn it over, pull through two, yarn it over, and pull through two. Now these post stitches, if you look on the back, are going to have kind of a ribbing on the back side of this right here. So let's go ahead and go to the back post double crochet. So this one is very close to the front post. Only difference is, instead of going under this direction, you're going to go from behind and put that post on the back side of your hook. So yarn it over, pull that up all the way through, yarn it over, pull through two, yarn it over, and pull through two. And if you can see, you're getting kind of that ribbing on the front side here. Go ahead and do that again. Yarn it over, put your needle through the back side. Now you have three up there. Yarn it over, pull through two, yarn it over, and pull through two. Go ahead and do that one more time, just for a little extra practice. And pull through two. Now basically, when you look at both of them together, they both are going to have the ribbing, just one is on the back as one is on the front. So it all depends what side of your work you want that ribbing to show. And there you have it, your front post double crochet and your back post double crochet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe.